everybody, welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how canned food is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more.
Each recipe is carefully cooked and balanced to preserve flavor, texture, and nutrition.
Check the pressure differential on loop 3.
I'm on it. Engaging auxiliary coolant now. Status update.
Level stabilizing. We are green across the board.
Every batch is refined, sealed, and tested to meet strict safety standards.
And that's how canned food is made. Birdcage, from start to finish.